This is a video of the jail in the Bahamas that Sam Bankman Fried is now in. The notorious Fox Hill detention facility has been known to be infested with rats and maggots. Kids are also sometimes detained with adult prisoners. Fox Hill is the Bahamas' only prison. According to a 2021 human rights report from the US State Department, conditions at Fox Hill were overcrowded, prisoners had poor nutrition, and there was inadequate sanitation and medical care. There were also alleged cases of physical abuse by correctional officers. Officers have even said that inmates rarely leave their cells to shower because violence is so prevalent. The Fox Hill facility was designed to hold 1,200 inmates, but regularly holds around 2,400 prisoners, twice as many. A 2020 study by the Inter-American Development Bank even found that 65% of inmates at Fox Hill said that drugs were easier to get inside the prison than outside. The US State Department study also said many cells lacked running water, and in those cells, inmates removed human waste by bucket. Sanitation was a general problem, with cells infested with rats, maggots, and insects. Ventilation was also a general problem. Prisoners in maximum security had access to sanitary facilities only 1 hour a day and used slop buckets as toilets. Another section said, prison inmates complained about the lack of beds and bedding. As a result, inmates developed bed sores from lying on the bare ground. An unnamed prison officer told the Nassau Guardian in a 2019 interview, "Dogs don't deserve to live in the state that maximum security prison is in. There is no ventilation. Rats run up and down all day, every day. It's not fit for humanity." A former inmate at Fox Hill said, "I was beaten and stabbed several times. I had to fight to stay alive." However, the Bahamian Commissioner of Correctional Services reportedly said that most of the facilities have been renovated since 2021 and now has no issues with rodents. Sam Bankman Fried may be spending the next 2 months at this infamous prison before his next court appearance on the 8th of February 2023. It's unlikely that Sam Bankman Fried will be held in Fox Hill's general population, but rather in the prison's remand center, and could still be given bail prior to February 8th. Sam Bankman Fried has survived his first night at Fox Hill prison. Presumably, Sam Bankman Fried stayed in the Bahamas because he thought there'd be more protection for him there, but now it seems like he'll be fighting to get extradited back to the US. The US Embassy official was recently seen at the facility, so he may be getting extradited sooner than expected. If convicted, Sam Bankman Fried could face up to 115 years in prison.